He was dancing, dancing like no one is watching. Hi, my people. How are we doing? How are we doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl Lena over here. We are ready and definitely in for our next session. All right. So come through, join me. Let us get started. The way time flies, you'll be there and you have just started a new week. And then with just a blink of an eye, you see that the week is already getting midway. So that simply means, or that clearly means that we have no time at all. So for anyone who is in love with trading just like me, or for someone who would love to improve their trading, someone who would love to learn more about trading, this is our time, all right, at 3 p.m. Canadian time. That is when we start off. So come through, join me. Let us see how to go about today, okay? Pocket Option Broker, that is a platform that I'm trading on, not forgetting that, okay? Binary options trading, okay? And then my market chart over here is gold OTC, okay? Today I'm risking 400 US dollars and 15 seconds. That is my time expiry. Okay, that is awesome. Hi, Alson. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? All the way from Swaziland. How are my beautiful people of Swaziland doing? Greetings to you. And definitely, I share some love all the way from Canada here. So, Alson is asking me, where are you best? I'm in Canada. That's where I'm best. And I'm all here to share with you my trading experiences, share some trading tips, and definitely vibe together. All right. It's not all about being so serious all the time. We get some time where we chat around, where we talk about this and that. So please feel free whenever it is 3 p.m. Just make sure that you log in, all right? Just make sure that you log in, and then we definitely get started just like right about now. We are already into the market. Jackie, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Okay, Classic Duke, what's up? What's up? How are you doing today? How is everything over that side? Yes, I'm well. I'm well. How about you? Hope you're doing okay. It's a beautiful Wednesday over here. It's a bright. Let me hop over there. You are also having a good day, a good time over there, right? Okay, nice and cool. How about our chats? How are they doing? How is trading? All right, fill me in, guys. Let me know what you would love to know. Definitely let me know what you have done for yourselves. Are you improving? Are you finding some challenges? That's why this session was put, not for only maybe the vibes that we keep having over here, but the most important thing is for us to learn something out of it. All right. So fill me in. And since we are in our first hour, that's when you are supposed to ask all that you have to ask in regards to trading. And then we see how we can go about it, right? Baby, on my side, I'll be okay. Take me right through every season. When you guys are here with me, I'm definitely very fine. All right. So good to have you. Good to have you all. How are you doing? How is your day going? How is your trading journey so far? On my end, everything is okay. I'm just here analyzing the chats, seeing exactly how to do or how to go about them. Greetings, guys. Fill me in, and definitely for anyone who is just joining, I would love to know where you're watching from, where you are tuning in from. I would love to share some love. Lena over here is always so full of love, so share with me. Where are you watching from? Where are you joining in from? We have so far someone all the way from Swaziland. So let me see where others are coming from. In the end, how are you doing? How is your day so far? Raphael, all the way from Zambia. Look at that. Greetings. How is Zambia? How is everything over that side? Let me share some love with you guys. Greetings. Too much love to the people of Zambia, to the people of Swaziland. Guys, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you are watching from. And definitely feel free to ask a question or two. Okay. Sanjay, what's up? Good to have you. How are you doing today? How is your day going so far? Where are you from? Lena? I'm from Canada, my dear. I'm from Canada. Benjamin, okay. Look at that. Raphael, Benjamin are all from Zambia. Wow, that's so amazing. Greetings, guys. Good to have you around. Good to have you. I definitely share some love with you. How is Zambia? How is everyone over that side? Jackie, all the way from South Africa. Oh my goodness, how is South Africa? Hope all is well over there. I have a number of people actually who are joining in or who come from South Africa. I have seen some people from Zambia as well. So Raphael adds on that list. Okay. All right. That is Raphael Benjamin. Okay, from South Africa, Jackie. You have a number of people who come from South Africa. Then from Zambia, there are also other people from that side as well. All right. Jacobo, I see you over there. Greetings. What's up? How is your day today? How is everything? Okay, so Daniel, all the way from Pakistan. Oh my goodness, how is Pakistan? How is everyone over that side? Hope all is well. I come bearing love. I come bearing love to my lovely people over here, to my beautiful family over here. So, guys, let us enjoy the session together. Feel free to ask any trading questions. Let me see. Let me know what you would love to know, or just we could actually as well share ideas. So feel free, feel free. This is our time to shine. This is the time that we always get in a day at least, where we know that anytime, any day, all right, we are free and we are ready to learn. So on my end over here, one thing you should know is that I'm using price action, all right? I'm using price action as my strategy, where, like I keep saying, with a price action, I consider so much, or I focus so much on identifying the market direction. Just like right now, we are in an uptrend, and definitely when we get a pullback over there, we have to trade it. So what can I say about a pullback? A pullback, it's just a slight drop in price, okay? It could be in an uptrend or in a downtrend. After after that pullback, we definitely anticipate, or we expect that, we think of two things. After pullback, we are either going to have a continuation, which is most likely to happen, or at times you find that the sellers, for giving an example with an uptrend, the sellers are so want to be aggressive, and you find that we break below the previous major lower high. So once we have broken it, definitely that is now a different story. We are no longer in an uptrend. We are experiencing a reversal over there. So when we are experiencing a reversal, that simply means that things are going to change. The way we were looking at it in an uptrend, they are going to change, meaning the sellers are now in control of the market, all right? And that happens with the downtrend as well. When we are looking at market direction, we have an uptrend, a downtrend, an uptrend, we can also call it a bullish direction. A downtrend, we can also call it a bearish direction. So with a bullish, that simply means that the bulls or the buyers are in control of the market. Then with the bears, that simply means that with a bearish, that simply means that the bears or the sellers are in control of the market. All right. Then we also have a consolidation. That is where we have a certain area. We have a certain area marked out, all right, where both the buyers and the sellers are in the market. So that ranging situation is what we call consolidation. That is where both of them are in the market, and we cannot say that the buyers are more than the sellers, all right? Both of them are in the market. We have not yet identified who is going to stay, who is going to be kicked out, all right? So in that ranging situation, we look at the top and the bottom in that situation of consolidation, okay, or in that direction. So for to be able to trade in a ranging market, when we are at the top of that range, you definitely anticipate, or you place in sell trades. When we are at the bottom of that range, you place in your buy positions. Okay, so that is with the consolidation stage, just like how in an uptrend you focus so much on the buys, then in the downtrend you focus so much on the sells. So in consolidation, that's what happens as well. When we come to the next thing, that was the market direction. When we come to market structure, we are basically looking at the major highs and the major lows. When we go to an uptrend, all right, we look at the higher highs and the higher lows. Those we shall be experiencing many of them, but we need to be able to identify that major higher low and that major higher high. With a major higher low, how it helps us whenever we are having a major lower high, or that strong point, that strong low in an uptrend, that pushes the previous strong high to break structure. Once structure is broken, when we talk about structure, that is when we had a higher low and a higher high. So this higher low pushes the previous higher high and it breaks structure, meaning it goes past the higher high. Once it goes past it, over there, we are going to see a few things. We are going to anticipate a pullback. And when a pullback is in play, like I said, we look at two things. At the end of this pullback, are we going to have a continuation or are we going to have a reversal? So the candlestick patterns that are formed there are the ones that will give us a go ahead. Are we going to keep moving up? Are we going to have a continuation, or we are actually going to break below that strong high yellow that I talked about? Once we do that, we cease to be in an uptrend, and actually we cease to call that now a pullback or anything, but we shall name that, we shall take that to be a reversal. That simply means that the sellers are now getting into the market, or they are in hold of the market. Okay, so when okay, I'm having a few negatives over here, but okay, so as I was saying, when after that pullback, on very many occasions we are going to have a continuation. So what does that mean? If you do not know how to trade at a pullback, wait for that continuation, wait for the pullback to end, and then the candles that form, the candlestick patterns that form after that, give you a go ahead that over here we are definitely going to, today the market is a bit crazy. All right, so with a continuation, buy. Okay, buy. That is no questions at all. So when we come to a downtrend or the bearish direction, we look at the lower highs and the lower lows. All right, with the lower highs, we are going to look at that major lower high that pushes the major lower low to break structure. Once that structure is broken, right, that structure that we are talking about is that that we are going to break that previous lower low. Okay, once we have broken it, definitely we anticipate over there a pullback before we have a continuation. If we are not having a continuation, definitely you know exactly what is going to happen. That simply means that the the buyers are now going to break above that major lower high. Okay, once it breaks above, that simply means that we are taking a different direction or the opposite direction, simply meaning that we are now in a reversal. Okay, when we come to the candlestick patterns, we have a number of them. So you cannot be saying that all of them are actually going to be used in your trading. Sit down and have a few. Sorry, I'm just working on my chart over here. So have a few candlestick patterns that you're going to master well, that you're going to understand very well for you to actually be trading at, because it's the candlestick patterns that actually on my end, they're the ones that my entries. So you have, okay. Papa, I'm working on that. Just give me a few seconds, okay? Just give me a few seconds, and here we are. Okay. Okay, so basically that is it with my strategy, all right? I have the alligator indicator over here. That's the one that I use mostly, okay? And it helps me back up my strategy, okay? Which is price action that I'm just from taking you through. The alligator indicator helps me with signals. Number two, it helps me with identifying the market direction that I'm taking. Then it also helps me identify how strong the market is, or how strong the trend is that I'm in currently, all right? Then it also helps me identify that right about now I'm in a consolidation state. Whenever you see those three lines fully entangled or entangled, it simply means that we are having a consolidation situation. So that's where if you have not yet mastered the art of consolidation, you can let it pass. But at the same time, take time and understand how to trade at consolidation. Also, how to trade at a pullback. Like I said, whenever we are at a pullback for an uptrend, for example, that simply means that we are having a slight drop in price. So what does that mean for an uptrend? It simply means that the sellers are slightly in the market before the price pushes up. Okay. So even in the downtrend, it simply means that the buyers are trying to get into the market, but they eventually get pushed out. Okay. Okay, let me see my people over here. Okay, Yashan, good to have you, good to have you. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, Benjamin, how long does it usually take to become a consistently profitable trader? That depends. It depends on you personally. I cannot say because on my end, it took me some time, but the time that it takes me does not mean that it's going to be the same time that is it's going to take for you as well. What I can say about that is that how consistent you are with your trading, the energy, the time that you put in, the learning, the embracing of trading that you put in, because the more you embrace it, it simply becomes part of you. So you know exactly how to go about it, how best to navigate around it, what best to use, what like it becomes part of you. Okay, so that way you find that it's going to be easier for you to start becoming profitable. Unlike someone, okay, let me give an example of me. Um, Unlike for me, when I was learning, one, I was not consistent and I took the market for granted. I used to think that things would just work themselves out, you know, like how you go for a job and then you're like, it's okay, I will learn on job. So that's how slightly I took it. So I used to fail, fail, and whenever I would fail, I would tell myself I cannot continue with this. Okay. So on my end, it took me a while. But if you are consistent, definitely things become way better. Okay, so right about now, we are going to get into our donations. Of course, as we chat, I will be trading as we chat. So, Benjamin, that's it. Faisal, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Luxury life. What's up, Ruth? I see you over there. I see you. Good to have you around. It's me, it's you. Yes, my dear, that has been worked on. That has been worked on. Razin Khan, hello. How are you? How are you? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Mason, hola, hola, hola. Gasto and Sally. Hey, Jesus. But slowly, we shall get there. No worries, I'm not worried because I have Mason in the building. All right. Girish, hi, how are you doing? Okay. Okay, if you are are being observant. I just want it to be useful to you one day. That is Adasha. What's up? What's up? Good to have you, Marcelaria. I see you. And to the next, I see you over there. Okay, so Benjamin, for that, I will be true to you. I spent a whole 1 year being me, spending like 3 months minus even looking at the charts, spending a lot of time um, not doing anything. So on my end, it took me 2 years. 2 years. The first year, I always count it because that's when I started off on this beautiful journey of mine of trading. So I always count it, okay? But in that first year, to be true, it was all about learning, making mistakes here and there. Okay, so that is a plus. We are looking at 3,000 take profit for Crofts. So the second year, that's when I started being serious with my life. After knowing that I do not want to be employed or I do not want to work for anyone else. So I kept on back and forth, making mistakes still here and there. My first my first profits that I made, trust me, I almost ran mad. Of course, it was a small one, but it coming from me who had nearly given up on trading, it was so amazing. So it was in that second year when I started, towards the end of that second year, that's when I started seeing something that I can actually do something in trading. So at the beginning of the third year in my trading, that's when everything made sense to me. That's when I I was so committed now. I was so committed, and trust me, every money that I would get would go in my trading because I had learned how to go about it. I had learned about risk management, and I would risk something very, very small, but I make sure that at least I get something out of it. And in the third year, even when I made losses, I had learned how to take them in. I had learned how to absorb them. I had learned how to manage my emotions. I had learned a lot of things. Okay. So the first and the second year, I would take them as my learning years. Then the beginning of the third year, that's when I can say that, okay, now I was on my feet trying to get something for myself. But it was very, very small. Very small. I get something small like that, okay? So, learning period, I can't clearly say, even if I made a few profits at the end of the second year, but I want to take it that the 2 years, I had them for all the mistakes that I had to make, the learnings, the picking up of myself. Then I started seeing a difference or becoming good in my third year. But also still in the third year, losses were there. But there at least I had learned how to manage them, how to control my emotions, how to be consistent in the different strategies that I had chosen, and then also being consistent with my setup, risk management always in check. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That has not closed according to my anticipation. It was our first participant, Croft. So sorry about that. Let's go to the next one. Shift 350, 4 atoms. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles to the ace when they send them. Till there ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and my day once. Do me just for the haters. It's only getting greater. Stand from nothing we go. Higher than the highest skyscraper. Now we literally okay. 4 atoms, guys. Let's go. We are shading together. Now we are right. Eh, 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 eh. Pour some Clico in a glass, have a toast to success. No looking back from here, no more being broken, distressed. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more M's while you hope for the best. We make these plays, but I'm finessing these checks. Time's up for everybody, I'm collecting. But Benjamin, on the other hand, you find that there are people who have started doing something for themselves after 6 months, after a year. People who are serious with trading. Me at first, I'd not really taken it so seriously, but the learning became intense after knowing the fact that this can actually become my source of income. It can give me a good life. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is our second attempt. Okay. After learning that, now it became intense. Actually, me, with my learning, once I know something is going to benefit me, I definitely become consistent and good about it. Though at first I played a lot. Hi Godwin, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing today? How is your day going? How is your day going? Thank you so much. Just that today, yes, please. Hi, what's up? What's up? I got little questions, please. Yes, please. Let me have them. Sue John, hi. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Real tone. What's up? What's up? I see you over there. Okay, so that is for Nathaniel. Congratulations.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel like, you make me feel like, you make me feel. What you do? Tell a mission singer. Like you want my emphasis spin go like a jam can't tire. Endless loving and it can't expire. How say that I never answer prayer. You know say you have the loving for me body when you hold me. And if you call me we come. Baby me now let her go. Love is like a seed and you reap what you sow. Oh, baby when the bright lights start to fade. Fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. Make me feel like, make me feel like,
Okay.
give me the fire, beg you bring that home. Me need your like home, me need my love. Yeah, turn on the pressure, make you get numb. And when the place is come, me know you're not wrong. It bad, but like it against the law. Light up, yes, I can be one. Correct my promise, skin, my feel the car.
Okay, white ticker over there. Let's get started. 2 atoms. You make me feel like. You make me feel. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely again. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker.
By 11, smoking,
Okay.
burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady bigger. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife for you.
So that was our first attempt. We are giving it a second try. We see.
I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning told. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet
Oh
before
dear.
I leave, I hope I see you later.
Okay.
Once I was 20 years old, my story got
Okay.
told. I was writing my
After
lyrics
seeing
in my
that
soul
shoot,
for me. Once I was 20 years old.
I was getting worried, but we got it. Okay, so we are having a continuation over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So for our first attempt, it did not go so well. Really, 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 really. So congratulations to Iteka.
Made a man so happy when I rode the leather ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Or have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old.
Okay, let me sing.
Mama told me, make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Back over here. Okay, Faisal. The traders are getting squashed because of Iran and USA war. Hey, fine. We shall be okay, Benjamin. I'm 1+ in trading it. I'm still make some losses, and I so much have interest to become a full-time trader. I know, but where you have reached and what you have learned, please do not give up on that, okay? Do not give up, because once you do, you are going to fall back like 100 steps. 1 year plus. I get you, I get you, my dear. I want it that way. Okay, can you recommend any other trading book? Let me see. I think maybe you can check out Baby Pips. Check it out, and we see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we are looking at 1,200 US dollars. That is for lucky. Let's see. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never want it.
No matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are
My fire,
the one desire. You are.
hey. Ooh, over there, I had definitely anticipated a continuation, but things turned out to be the opposite. So I've closed in a loss. Not good at all. I never wanna hear you say my way. Let me see for Vespan. We are taking it for 4 attempts and with our cell position over here. So let's see. Hi Victor. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. How is your day going? How is everything over that side?
Found you and your heart was broke. I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, then fuck 'em all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel?
Okay. 2 attempts down. Let's see. Dreaming silence, making you believe without me. Maybe I'm the one who puts you up there. So why without me, without me. Maybe I'm the one who puts you up there. So why. Okay. Just one more attempt for Vespan. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, then fuck 'em all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there. Okay, so Vespan, congratulations. That was a beautiful one. Without me, you don't have to say just what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from them. So tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel? Next, we are going to have Astra. We are looking at a take profit of 2,000. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Teacher Lee, good to have you, good to have you join in. How is your day today? How is it going over that side? How is it going? Tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh no, it's not the things you do that tease and hurt me back, but it's the way you do the things you do to me. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh no. Okay. Let's see with my anticipation over here. Okay. That is for our first attempt, but remember we are looking at a take profit of 2,000. Amen. But I'll wait right here till it's happen. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh no. Tide is high, but I'm holding on. Muzahid is in the building. Hi Muzahid, what's up, what's up? Anthony, I see you over there. Good to have you. Mr. Entertainment, can I donate 200 US dollars? Please, I would request you to add on at least. Add on. Because if you have the 200, just try as much as you can to at least add on. Hi Ree, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you join in. You gives up just like that. Let's have it, let's have it. Beautiful. Keep it going. Okay, so to believe in. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, dear.
I was so wrong for so long, only trying to please myself.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Keep planning. Keep planning. You know, however small it could be, it definitely means something. It means something. That simply means that it is a step ahead in your trading. So it's a good thing. Okay. Just keep it that way, one step at a time. What say? Stepan, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Let's see what we have for D Empire. Yes, my dear, every day I have donations every single day. Hope you know how to go about it. Every single day, donations keep coming through. That's good. That's good.
I don't want you to leave me, though you caught me cheating. Tell me what you say. I really need you in my life, cause things ain't right, girl. Tell me what you say. I don't want you to leave me, though you caught me cheating. Tell me what you say.
Oh dear.
Really need you in my life, cause things ain't right. When the roof
Oh.
came in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so
My
long.
first round of donations.
Baby, what you say?
My first round of donations, I would say, according to my analysis, it has not gone so well. So let's have our next group of participants. We'll see. Okay, assistant. I think that is assistant. That is a pocket option broker. Anthony, I would really want to learn your strategy, please. Okay, no problem at all. No problem at all. All I'm going to request you to do is to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Every single day I come through, that is at 3 p.m. Canadian time. My session goes for 2 hours, and in there it's all educational, it's all learning. So just make it a point that every single day you come through, and where you have a question, please always ask. Let me know what you would love to know. With my strategy, I make sure that at least I talk about it almost every day. So at least you will be able to learn something from it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Then also for that is for our first attempt for algo trade. We give it a second try. Then also there is the Telegram channel, our Telegram group. Just make sure that you subscribe to it. Occasionally I put some videos over there explaining, like I give a small explanations about something that is going on a particular chat that I post. So you find that is also another way of learning. Then I also keep making short videos to my YouTube channel which are also educative, at least where at least we keep learning one by one. Definitely does not remain one. Okay. Okay, that is a Jack. I'm telling you. The market just wants me to go crazy just the way it is. Today the market is crazy. Okay, so for the time frame, we are looking at 15 seconds. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So we have just one more attempt for algo. For the chart time frame, 15 seconds. Expiration time, 15 seconds. Candle close, 5 seconds. Lovely. That is lovely for algo. That's good. Good.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me.
The way you trade. Thank you so much. Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? Okay, I see that is Jeremy over there. What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in.
Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around?
If I got locked away, we lost it all today. Tell me, would you still love me the same? Hi, Terry. Good to have you. How are you doing today? Okay, Tashan for the group. Go in my my description or in my bio on YouTube, and the Telegram link is over there. It's attached there. So you will be able to join in. If I got locked away. Okay, Habib, what's up? Good to have you. Tell me honestly. Good to have you.
Tell me, would you call me? If you knew I wasn't ballin', cause I need a girl who's always by my side. Tell me, do you need me? Tell me, do you love me?
Miss Ashish. What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay.
Tell me honestly.
So for that, we look at 5 minutes to 10 minutes, I would say. Okay. Valentine, hi, what's up? Good to have you join in. Okay, Valentine is watching from Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay, Habib. All the way from Nigeria. Big up to you. Big up to you. You know, I have very many people or friends of mine here who come from Nigeria. So at least I know how to greet. I know how to greet. So for the Nigerians, they say how far, like, I think how far when they're asking you, how are you doing? Right? Hope I'm right. Hope I'm not forgotten. Yeah, so how far, Habib? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Valentine, I take the compliment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
She like a song played again and again. Like something of a poster. It's a damn they say. It's a gun to my holster. She's running through my
Vida Truck. Hi, Vida Truck. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you join in. How is your day? How has been your day today? That's lovely. Derek. Really, really.
I'm in the kitchen cooking things she likes. Railroad white, breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife. Like something of a poster. It's a damn they say. It's a gun to my holster. She's running through my blood all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay. I can be your melody, a girl I can write you a symphony, the one that can fill your fantasies. So come to be honest with me. I can be your melody.
Okay, so there always. At least when I see you video truck, I know that we are in the building. Guys. To each and every one of you, you're almost welcome. Good to have you join in. Good to have you. Do not forget, do not hesitate to hit that like button for me. And definitely subscribe. You can as well leave a comment, right? We are here to make sure that at least we grow, we get to it in our trading. So do not hesitate at any one point.
I know the ways to break you. And you know what breaks me. When
Things get heated, we say things we don't mean.
though we know they ain't true. Say you're leaving.
Get careless with our feelings.
What's the worst we can do?
I've been Okay, London. London next 2000 is our take profits. You love to love somebody like you.
Some nights we're closer than
Heaven.
sometimes we're run out of space.
We're high and can't get any better until we go down again.
Things get heated.
We say things we don't mean.
No, we ain't true. Say you're leaving.
Okay, Anthony, I got back to you, and definitely we are looking forward to always being together each and every single day. Okay. Somebody like you.
Somebody like you.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody like you.
Okay. Hi Anna Mbatha, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. I saw you somewhere, but since I'm busy with the donations, it skipped. But definitely, I had to remember my beautiful sister. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. I see Zitha over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so for London, let us keep taking it. Let me see, guys. Okay, Pranob, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Anna Mbatha, I see you, my darling. Thank you for coming through. Oh dear, oh dear. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Today, the market wants to prove stubborn, wants to prove crazy. What's the time frame you are using? I'm using 15 seconds. Uchena, hi my dear, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. How is your day going? We coming up tonight. In the morning. We coming up tonight. Mama, yeah. We coming up tonight. We got a ticket that takes us wherever we like. We got our problems, but just for the minute, let's push all our troubles aside. Alright, cause we got the keys to the universe inside. Alright, yeah, we got the keys, babe. You wanna wake up? Solano, 3 atoms. Let's go. Let's see what we can get from our 3 atoms. 500 over there, plus in a south position. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In the morning. We coming up tonight, anticipating a continuation over there. Definitely, I came up with that because of that that engulfing candle over there. All right, so that's why I plus 10. my entry over there. Let's see with a pullback what you can get out of it. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay. Gonna be a bumpy ride. Beautiful, beautiful. That is for Solano. Congratulations. That's mine. Do whatever you want of a kind. Nobody, nobody will love like someone like me. Nobody, nobody will love like someone like me. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay. Okay. That is a pulse over there. 2 atoms. Let's see what 350 gives us. Nobody. You never find someone like me. Nobody. Nobody. You never find someone like me. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, so for our last attempt, let's see. Excuse me. After that spike. No chance over there. Those spikes, definitely you just know that you have nothing there. If you have placed in the opposite direction, you will have to definitely close in a negative, which has actually just happened over here. So what you see over there, that will be my last list for the participants. Let's see how it goes. 1002 atoms. Macavio. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, let's have it. Okay, so that simply means we have just one more attempt. Okay. Guys, please, please, please hit that like button for me and subscribe. Alright, so let's go, let's go. Alright, video track. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you each and every single day. I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you for the good heart. Thank you for the love that you have for me. I appreciate you so much. Beautiful, beautiful. That is for Macavio over there. Look at that. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Passion through the sex all in the atmosphere. I'ma let the pain sink so it can make it clear.
Just withdrawing to Macavio's wallet, which is Tether wallet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So over there, next we have Tobias, 900 US dollars, 3 atoms. Let's see for our last list. Let us see. I'm really believing for profits for everyone who is just coming in on this last list of ours. So let's see. Let us see.
Hey, Samantha, your mother tell me about that boy the way I talk to you. I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me say? Don't play with me. Don't make me you have nothing. You understand me?
Okay, beautiful. That is our first item. Feeling. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, What's the only thing I'm thinking of? In the morning when I'm waking up. Okay. Just one more to go for Tobias. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. That is for Tobias. Congratulations. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. We can get no better. What's the only thing I'm thinking of? In the morning when I'm waking up. I'm crazy. Be my baby love. You know, be my baby love. I'm thinking of, can't get enough. Know you'll always be my baby.
Yeah, you know you're bad from your man. Love the way you bring it back and go on. Are you me baby love until the day that they gone? Are you me number one? Are you me true champion? Hey, you girl in the tightest skirt, sexy in a dress, so in a button-up shirt. You know what the clothes, girl, when you start to wind up. You the only one who always dip on me mind up.
That's the only thing I'm thinking of. In the morning when I'm waking up, they tell me that I'm crazy. Oh, you know you'll always be my baby love. See all that trust, you know it's a buzz. You know you'll always be my baby love. I'm thinking of, can't get enough. Know you'll always be my baby love. Know you'll always be my baby love.
Sue John, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Prosperous, I see you, my brother. What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Sayed, what's up? Good to have you. That is for Tobias and to the wallet.
You can't blame me for trying. You know I'll be lying, saying that could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad in love. Got a girl with California eyes, and I thought that she could leave me alone this time, but I never got a chance to make her mine because she fell in love with little thin white lines. London girl with her attitude, and never told no one, but we look so cute. Both got way better things to do, but I always think about it when I'm not with you. Jersey, the best in me. Look, I don't mean to
Silvano.
always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes, cause I'm bad in love.
4 atoms, so let us get into it.
Lying, saying you're the one. That could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad in love.
Beautiful, beautiful. That is our first attempt.
I know that you're afraid I'm gonna walk away. It's time the feeling fades. It's time the feeling fades. I know that you're afraid I'm gonna walk away. It's time the feeling fades. You know I'm
Okay. That is our second attempt.
me for trying. You know I'll be lying, saying that could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad in love. Oh, you know, you know, you know, you know, I'm bad in love. Oh.
Okay. One more to go. Just one more to go, and let me give it a sell. Because we are having a bearish, amazing momentum over here. So why not? Beautiful momentum, beautiful wins. Look at that. Okay. You know, at times we trade in situations that we do not clearly understand. So if you get a situation that you clearly understand, please Buy as much as you can, sell as much as you can until the market tells you otherwise, right? All right. Momentum, very, very important. All right. It depends on how strong that particular trend is. Okay. So there definitely what you have to do is plus in those entries. But if we are in a situation where you cannot really understand it, but you have to make some money for yourselves, that's where things become a little tricky. That's why I keep saying for someone who is a beginner, wait for the trend, trade with a trend. Do not allow yourself to go through all those hassles of pullbacks, consolidation. Just sit tight and wait. When it gets in a zone that you clearly understand, that you clearly know exactly what is taking place in the market, then you strike. All right. They happen not very often, but they do happen. Okay. And with binary options trading, I can say with trading we have very many opportunities in the market. Very, very many. So if you have skipped a few, you have left a few to go, it's still okay. It's still okay. You can survive with a few that you have gotten, but as long as they are profitable, okay? You can carry out trading shortly. You can have, let me say, like 10 entries, and you never know. You never know. You definitely close in pluses or have a few losses over there. So it's all a win-win. Maybe when you wind and pose, you feeling the boy, of course. Let's go. That is for Nicholas, 3 items. We are in with a buy position. You feeling the boy, of course. Okay. Baby, when you wind and pose, you're killing the boy, of course. Getting ready for our next strike. Video track, yes, I see you over there, and clearly watching the market or watching your chart. It gives you a clear insight of exactly what is going on. All right, so that's why I keep advising you guys to keep your eyes glued on your charts over there, because you can clearly understand what is happening with the charts. Beautiful, beautiful. Just one more to go. As you can see there, over there, we We were trying to have a consolidation formation, but we did not stay there for long. We did not stay there for long. Okay. For the people who said that they trade with an indicator, I don't know how you do it with just having the indicator and confirming with it your entries. I do not know, but we treat differently, and definitely we have different things that we believe in. I keep telling you, or I keep sharing with you what I do and how I do it just from my experience, all right? But you find that actually different people are doing things completely different and they are profitable. At the end of the day, I know the main goal is for us to be profitable, all right? So whichever way you do it, as long as it's giving you what you want, I have no problem with it. Though I would encourage you so much to at least have a strategy that helps you understand your chart properly. You're doing your thing.
The way you put it out on the floor, I wanna come and just give you my ring.
Give me my ring.
I wanna give a round of applause. I like the way you wanna rule like a king.
She got a lump, she feel like an ass, she motivates. She got a lump,
She phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates.
she got a lump.
She phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates. She wanna rap.
She phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates.
I like the way you motivate. Believe in what I do, so we cultivate. Baby, if you know delay, you ride by my side, help me operate.
Hey. All right. Look at that. At some point, I knew. I knew I was finished. I don't know who saw that with me on the chat, but I saw it was finished. Guys, remember over here, it's all about the expiration time. Once it's finished, that's it. All right. But congratulations, that is to Nicholas Price, our last participant for today. She ran up, she feel up in she motivate. She feel up in she motivate. She feel up in she motivate. Okay, hi Samsung. What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Let's go. Eh, oh, eh,
not a secret I try to hide.
Okay, so that was it with our donations.
So don't keep saying
And thank you so much for the participants. For those that have made profits, congratulations to you. And for those that have not, do not give up. Do not feel like that's the end of it all. Today it was negative, tomorrow it will definitely be a positive. I always believe so much in positivity, but whenever it doesn't happen, so I wait for the next opportunity. All right. So thank you so much for today. It has been really a nice session. I've enjoyed catching up with you guys, chatting with you, sharing the love with you, the vibe with you. It's always amazing whenever it clocks 3 p.m. 3 p.m. I'm always so excited to come here, join you, chat with you, learn with you, increase or improve myself with you guys. Because let me tell you, however much you are a good trader, each and every single day you find that you're going to learn something somewhere, somehow in unknowingly, but you will learn something either from a colleague, from a friend, or in whatever way. So guys, I urge you to keep coming through. That will be by you subscribing and subscribing to my channel and liking every video that we have, or liking to every session that we have. Just keep it up. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. Every day is a beautiful day in whatever that you do. Be blessed. I love you guys so much. Catch you tomorrow.
So just give me all of you. Possible. Say that it's possible. How do we
Rewrite the stars.
say you
Open mind.
and nothing
Keep us apart.
you are the one
Always love you.